So the next winding technique is, these are all very complicated as you can see, is up and down. If they don't come up right away, up and down. And again, keeping her nice and straight when I set her down. And I do this 5 to 10 times. So where are we now? Always count. I think that's 4, isn't it? Yeah, okay. 5. Can you give me a smile? 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. There we go. Always nice and straight, and the legs always down when they come down. Any more burps? Patience is a virtue as well when it comes to winding. People tend to change position far too often and the technique far too often if they're not getting the burp within a minute or two. You just wait, because the more relaxed they are, the more likely they are to burp. Alright? Do you want to do one? Oh! You're a bit tight. Want to do a burp? Do you? Time it for at least a minute before you think about starting again with another 5 to 10. Nice and slow, very gentle, keeping the back always upright, keeping them well supported.